Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Zephyr, how to integrate it with your existing Jira project. So what is Zephyr? In our case, we're going to talk about Zephyr Squad, previously known as Zephyr for Jira. So Zephyr Squad is like a special notebook, right? Just like you guys are using some notebooks to plan your studies, keep track of your assignments, and note down any of your grades. Testers use the Fear Squad to plan their testing, to keep track of test cases, and note down the results of these tests. So it helps them organize their work, see what tests they still need to do, record if their tests have passed or failed, and share this information within their team, all within Jira environment they're already using, which makes it a very helpful tool in testing world. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and add the Jira plugin. In order to do that, you will need to click on the apps option on the top of the screen. As you already see, I have both Zephyr Scale and Squad. Most likely you won't have that, so all you need to do is click on Explore More Apps. Here, you will simply type in Zephyr, and the one we're interested in is Zephyr Squad, Test Management for Jira. Click on that, and then you just click on adding it here. So again, we already have this added, so we're going to go back to our project, Tech Global 123. Once you add it, you will have a Zephyr Squad logo down here on the left-hand side, right above the project settings. So once you clicked on Zephyr Squad, you will see multiple options like creating a new folder, creating new test cases, test cycles, again, creating folder for test cycle, and then the reports. So what is a test case? Test case is like a single question on your test, right? It's specific thing that you want to check in the software to make sure it's working correctly. What is a test cycle? Test cycle is like the whole test paper, right? A collection of different questions or like test cases that you plan to check at one time to see how well the software is doing. So we'll go ahead and create a new folder for the test cases, and we're going to create one for the smoke tests. So all you have to do is click on this new folder button, name your folder, and you're done. In order to create new test cases, you click on new test cases. Name is going to be smoke test 1. We're not going to worry about the objectives or preconditions. Please note, you do have to specify the folder. We just created the smoke test folder, so we're going to specify it here. We're not going to focus on test script, execution, any of this part, but it is available for you, and you will find it useful. But for the training purposes, we're going to skip all of that and just click Save. And then once you go back, now you have smoke test folder with the smoke test 1 test case. Same thing we're going to do for the test cycles. Click on new folder. We're going to put something like sprint 1 smoke test run. So in our sprint 1, we're going to run all of our smoke tests. So once you type it in, you will be done with creating the folder, and then you will add the new test cycle. Again, this is going to be the smoke test run in sprint 1 for us. Objective, again, we're not going to worry about that as of right now, and we're going to specify the folder that we have just created, which is sprint 1 smoke test run. And we're going to click Save. And if we go back to the Fear Squad, there you go. We have under the test cycles, our folder, and our test cycle. Once you click on this little check mark here, it will allow you to edit it, run, clone it, or delete it, right? Let's say you have your smoke tests ready to go to run it. You will simply specify which cycle you want to run and click on the run button. Right now, this is just a training purpose test, so nothing is going to run and nothing is going to give us the report. And that pretty much sums up the Zephyr Squad integration with Jira. Very basic information, but very useful. Thank you all for watching.